Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Canadian Shan. मेरा नाम है Sharon Nair and today we have an important guest. Her name is Dr. Dolly Setia, PhD French literature, and today we will discuss about possibilities to migrate to Canada. A lot of people who are facing problem with CRS points, so with adding French will definitely help to boost their CRS points. I just want to introduce Dolly. And Dolly, could you please tell about what you do and how you're gonna help our subscribers and our YouTube family?
First of all, thanks for calling me on your channel. I would really appreciate the effort you are taking to help people immigrating to Canada and even after the support that you are providing. It's really a wonderful job that you're doing.
Dolly, so I'm gonna take a lot of time of yours, so sorry about that in advance. This video, we have a lot of
Yeah.
points. The point number one is benefit of learning French. Point number two, CRS points, how much points they can boost if they add French in their, Express Entry profile. And what are the certifications when it
Mm-hmm.
comes to Canada immigration? Okay, and obviously how you're gonna help, what are the social media platform you're using, to train all your students. Can someone learn French in weeks, months, or years? So yeah, there are a lot of questions, job
Definitely.
opportunities, and French versus other language. So a lot of questions are there, and obviously our future plans, with this channel. So how you gonna help all our viewers? So let's get started with the benefits of learning French.
French is a language which is spoken by around 300 million people across 5 continents. It's a very
Mhm,
soft-spoken language, and if you know French, you can easily learn the other European languages,
mhm,
as in Spanish, Italian, Romanian, Portuguese.
mhm,
French is not only learned for higher education and travel, it's
mhm.
also learned for the purpose of immigration. There are
Right, right.
many aspirants who are preparing themselves for the French
Mhm,
proficiency tests because it gives a good boost. If you talk
mhm,
about Canada immigration, it
mhm.
gives a good boost of 62 points
That's
in the
great. That's
overall
great.
CRS score. Yeah.
That's
So
amazing.
50
Yeah.
points for learning the language, knowing this language. It gives
Hmm.
an additional 50 points and 12 points if you get a CLB 7.
Hmm.
So which is really a good boost in the overall CRS. So
Definitely. Yeah.
knowing this language is like a gift.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. And getting 60 points is really good. So for CRS boost, you have already mentioned, and benefit we have already understood with you. What kind of certifications are required when it comes to Canada immigration?
Yeah, if you talk about French proficiency tests for immigration, there is an array of these tests. For
Hmm.
Quebec immigration, Quebec accepts a broader range of French proficiency tests. For
Hmm.
example, DELF, DALF, TCFQ, TEFAC,
Hmm.
TEF, and TEF Canada. And if you
Hmm.
talk about Canadian immigration and other PNPs, then TEF Canada and TCF Canada are the two acceptable proficiency tests for French.
Okay. Jolly, what are the social media platform do you use to train all your students?
Well, I have a YouTube channel with the name of French Tweets. Up
Okay.
there are many interactive French learning videos.
Bonjour et bienvenue à French Tweets. Hello and welcome to French Tweets. On verbs, we already discussed about the categorization of the verbs.
Especially
Okay.
for learning the tricky French pronunciation. Then
Hmm.
there are grammar videos with exercises, and there's
Hmm.
a broad range of TEF videos. I have prepared
Hmm.
special TEF Canada preparatory videos and
Hmm.
tutorials to help
Hmm.
aspirants to immigrate to Canada. And
Wow,
there are
amazing.
a variety of mock tests as well, which
Hmm.
are really not available elsewhere. So it's a good platform to, learn French.
That's great. Yeah, and I think you are running an institution through YouTube channel, which is really amazing. And yeah,
Yeah,
you
because the thing is, I cannot address to a larger
hmm
number of audience personally, so
hmm
I thought of
yeah,
facilitating them like this. And then we have
great, great.
a huge, massive Telegram group It is
Okay.
basically of French native speakers. So when you
Okay.
are
Yeah.
learning a language, you
Mm-hmm.
should have somebody to converse with,
Mm-hmm.
preferably with a superior level. And the
Mm-hmm.
group members are so helpful that they cooperate with each other so much. They converse daily in French, and there's
Mm-hmm.
a lot of study material that I keep on uploading there, and they
Mm-hmm.
exchange
Okay.
vocals. So these are all
Mm-hmm.
essentials for learning a language. You need to have a practice partner to speak
Mm-hmm.
with, and
Mm-hmm.
of course, you should have somebody to exchange your vocals and audios with. So it's
Amazing.
a good
Amazing. Yeah.
platform, and it's free
Wow.
of cost. So that's the
Wow.
best part. You don't
Yes.
have to really pay to find somebody to speak
Uh,
with.
yeah, and also I will recommend all my viewers to please follow her Telegram group. Yeah, because there are a lot of interaction going on. Like people ask questions, they interact. So it is, and it's free. Free,
Yeah.
free is always great.
There
Yeah.
are applications where you find native speakers, but you end up paying a lot for that.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
this is really nice, the French Tweets Telegram
Yeah.
group.
Yeah. So a person like you, an experienced person like you, will definitely help all our viewers, to boost their CRS points. Dolly, also I want to ask you that as far as I can see that you have a membership plan where people can join you and they can have a mock test over there. So how does it works?
Yeah, recently I've opened the membership plan wherein, and it's actually done on request from the
Hmm.
members only,
Hmm.
that they want to access to the exclusive mock test material for
Hmm.
TEF Canada examinations
Okay.
specifically. So there's a
Okay.
lot of
Okay.
material I've posted on this, so they
Hmm.
can check out the membership plan as well to have access to
Okay.
exclusive TEF material and other examination material as
Hmm.
well.
Sure, sure. I will also add this thing on my video description as well as in this video as well, so that
Yeah.
people can follow you. And if they want any information about French, definitely they can approach you. And also, I also personally want to tell all my subscribers that French really helps when it comes to Canada immigration, especially if you go for Quebec immigration. A lot of people who are highly skilled, a lot of people who are dentists, doctors, highly skilled, but they don't
Yeah,
get
the job
invitations because,
opportunities are
yeah.
endless.
Yeah, even one of my subscribers, she is following me for almost I think 8 or 9 months. She applied for Quebec
Hmm.
immigration. Now she have not got her invitation because obviously she's applying for Quebec, and Quebec is all about
So
French.
if she
So
knows
yeah,
French, she'll be really
yes,
at a
yes, and we
great
have,
place.
yeah, because we have seen a lot of invitation because most of the time I spend with my immigration consultants and lawyers, and I've seen a lot of invitations, going to India, and people who got their invitation, they have French. Without French, it is quite, I would not say that it is, impossible, but it's quite difficult to get a, invitation from Quebec and
Yeah,
to
if you talk
migrate to
about
them.
Quebec,
Yeah.
yeah, because companies in Quebec, they prefer those who speak French,
Hmm.
and there are many other job opportunities in Quebec. For
Hmm.
example, Service Canada, Air
Hmm.
Canada,
Yes, yes, yeah,
CBSA,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
RCMP.
yeah, these kind of job, even if you are a permanent resident, like for me, like I'm a permanent resident here right now, but
Yeah,
even if I go for applying a job for CBSA or for Service Canada, I will not get it because for that, you need French. And
you need to have
yeah,
French
and
profile.
obviously,
Yeah.
yeah, and obviously you should have a Canadian passport. So even if you have Canadian passport, if you don't have French, if you don't know how to speak, and read and write in French, you will not get a job in government sectors like Service Canada and CBSA. Yeah, definitely. So
Yeah,
it
it
really helps.
definitely
Yeah.
gives an edge. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it definitely gives an edge.
Yeah.
And if you talk about Ontario and other parts of Canada, there's a
Hmm.
huge demand for teachers,
Hmm.
not only
Okay.
language teachers,
Hmm.
but also teachers who are teaching in a francophone school, because other
Hmm.
subjects like math, science, or social sciences, these
Hmm.
are all taught in French. So
Hmm.
there is a
Yeah.
massive job opportunity for those who have learned French working as a teacher in these francophone schools.
Hmm.
And of course, if you know French, you can also become an ESL
Hmm.
expert, that is English as a second language. So you can
Hmm.
teach to
Yeah.
French natives or other francophone immigrants.
Yes, obviously in Canada we have only two official language. One is English and other is French. So definitely it will help. And
Yeah,
as far as I can see, you have 2,800 members on Telegram group. which is you have a massive audience there. So I would definitely tell all my audience to follow you on Telegram as well. So is there any link which we can add in our description for your Telegram as well?
Definitely.
Yeah.
It's the with the name of French Tweets. If you search it on
Okay.
the Telegram
Uh,
application, you just need to
okay.
download the application, and I'll
Yeah.
definitely be sharing the link with you.
Because there are a lot of Telegram groups, so it's better that I'll add a link so that they can just directly click that link and they will just jump into your Telegram group. So which
Yeah.
is great. And I can see you also have an Instagram, which is French Tweet by Dolly. You'll add French
Yeah, it's French Tweets
Instagram.
by
Yeah.
Dolly. Yeah. On the platforms, and every day I'm making sure that I'm posting some interactive French word
Hmm.
or a phrase. So it's basically a learning platform.
Wow,
And then,
wow,
of course, they
amazing.
get updated, yeah,
Wow,
as and
amazing. Yeah.
when the new posts are there. So,
Hmm. That's great. So you are on YouTube, you are on Telegram, you are on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So you are quite popular on the internet. So people who want to approach you, they can easily there. So that's good.
well, there are many students who've never learned French ever in their life.
Hmm.
So they are looking for the right study plan.
Hmm.
Like they're always worried about how to begin. There are people
Hmm.
who learn French randomly and
Hmm.
they end up being nowhere. So you need
Hmm.
to have proper study plan, which I have already uploaded on my channel with
Hmm.
the right resources
Hmm.
and strategies, including the right tools and websites to consult. So there is a
Hmm.
specific study plan which they can
Hmm.
follow in order
Hmm.
to achieve their aim if they are willing to write the examination TEF
Hmm.
Canada. So there are certain strategies for writing this examination. Randomly, if you're learning French here and there, it's not really possible to aim it right.
So is there any minimum criteria that a person should, score this much in IELTS? So is there any specific criteria for people who want to learn French? Like, for example, for a person who have no idea about French, for those people, how do you train them?
Yeah, first of all, they should be knowing French up to an upper intermediate level, that is
Mhm.
a DELF B2. Those who are
Okay.
learning French, they will understand what is DELF levels. So a DELF
Hmm.
B2 is needed to
Hmm.
write the immigration exam, like the TEF
Okay.
Canada. So which
Okay.
takes somewhere around 9 to 10 months at an
Hmm.
intensive pace.
Okay. Okay. That's great.
Yeah,
Okay. Fine.
and for that also I've uploaded a video
Hmm.
guiding with all the resources, tools, and how to aim it
Hmm.
right.
Okay, I will also add a thumbnail of that video also for channel as well. And what are the common words for French? This is a personal question for me, like common words for French. Yeah.
Well, bonjour and merci, these are the two magical words of French.
Okay.
You must have
Okay.
noticed
Hmm.
being in Canada, these are two very popular words. Bonjour is
Yes. Yeah.
hello and good morning,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
merci is thank you. So
Okay.
when you're learning French, it's not just learning the language, it's about the culture. And it's
Right.
a
Right.
part of
Yeah.
their culture. They greet everybody very
Right.
nicely. And French being a soft-spoken language, these are the
Okay.
essential parts, saying merci, that is
Hmm.
thank you, over and
Right.
again.
Hmm.
And to really know the basic French words, I have uploaded a video, which is a
Hmm.
3 days study pack on my
Okay.
channel, which
Hmm.
will make the viewers acquainted with the language as well.
Hmm.
So the way they
Okay.
greet, the way they address, so everything is basically a part of the French culture.
Okay.
So
Okay. That's great.
yeah.
That's good. Okay. And also, Dolly, I want to ask this question that is French is harder than Spanish or German? Because why I'm asking this, because one of my friend went to Germany and after doing her,
Hmm.
course, she was expecting for a work permit. And when she started her journey for, permanent residency and, for job market and all, so she realized that in Germany, they really need, German language and she was really
Hmm.
struggling and she was telling that yeah it's not that like other language and all.
Well, German is the toughest of all the European languages, and
Hmm.
French is relatively easier. So once you
Okay.
know French, you
Hmm.
can learn other languages, as in
Hmm.
Spanish, Portuguese, Romanian, Italian. So they are like a similar family of languages. But German
Okay.
is a different language. They say that German is the language of horses. It's a rough
Okay.
language, and French is the
Okay.
language of love. It's a soft
Okay.
spoken language. So
Okay.
that's how
Okay.
it
Okay.
is.
That's really great. Okay. So once you learn French, you can easily learn other language as well.
Definitely. As I mentioned, that if you know French, very
Mm-hmm.
easily you can learn Spanish, Italian,
Mm-hmm.
Portuguese, or Romanian. Because in French, it's only the pronunciation which is tricky. But
Mm-hmm.
with
Okay.
Spanish and Italian, you read the way it is written. So that's
Yes.
quite
Yeah.
easier. So once you know French, you
Mm-hmm.
can very easily pick up other languages on your own without even consulting anybody.
So is it also connected with English as well? French?
English, there are lots of words from French which are
Mm-hmm.
being borrowed in the language in English.
Okay.
Lots of
Okay.
words are being borrowed in English from French
Okay.
language. So
Okay.
that's
Okay.
how it is connected.
Okay. Okay. So I want to tell all my viewers who are planning to migrate to Canada. Canada is a place where French and English is only used. So definitely, as I said, Quebec province is all about French. Apart from downtown area, if you go to any other area,
Yeah.
you need French. Most of the traffic signals, traffic signs are in French. You really need French, and also for government sectors to work, you need French.
I've seen people working as editors, writers, publishers,
Oh, okay.
and voiceover artists.
Oh,
So
that's
if you
new.
master
Okay.
the French pronunciation, you can become a
Mhm.
good voiceover artist. And for that, you
Oh,
don't really
wow.
need to go up to the higher level. It's just the French pronunciation which you need to master, and then you can work
Mhm.
as a voiceover artist as well.
Oh, okay. Wow, wow. That's new for me also. That's really a great, knowledge
Yeah.
for all our viewers. Okay, so Dolly, before ending this video, I would like to ask this question to you that how will our collaboration will help all our, YouTube family and, people who will see this video, who will join us, who will subscribe our channel, who will subscribe your channel also. So how will this help to all of them?
I'll be always happy to facilitate
Hmm.
the immigrants or those who are learning French for the purpose of immigration.
Hmm.
I'll always be there to solve their queries, and they
Hmm.
can reach me on my different social media platforms.
Hmm.
And you guys are doing such a fabulous job. So I'm sure my
Thank you.
students will definitely connect with you and your team.
Thank you, Dolly, for your valuable time, and we will definitely contact you if any query comes. And also, I want to tell all my viewers who are watching this video, do subscribe her YouTube channel, follow her on Twitter as well as on her Telegram group. She has a massive audience there. So do follow, and thank you very much, Dolly. See you again.
Thank you so much. Thanks for
Yeah.
calling me here.
Thank you. Bye.
And we said there is a looming French teacher shortage in this province.
Education Minister Rob Fleming says the NDP government is funding more French immersion teacher jobs, as well as recruiting internationally.
We have the cooperation of the federal government, which is looking at investing more in official languages and teacher recruitment and training for French immersion specifically.
It means BC should start to see numbers increase next year.